Mama pema fire mo, but me de be chamu because of say abaya be a friend Anita Akufuado. And Anita Kufuor. I don't know. I have forgotten the name. That guy me feeling up because or a glass in Kwan, which literally means or a fan of the almighty Twene Jonas. TV3. I think that it might be a date rush or whatever it is they call.
Anita Jonas.
Huh?
Nyamishiro bia so betie no kre. Ai. She America na mu na mi chacha mo glass nkwa. Bibini so ye nipo.
Oh, can ke bio.
Ah. Mutie fuo mu ho. Ana jimi nkwa. Check glass. Akuna so try to free. Na matra so no he.
Say will be one.
Coffee, free coffee and na menum kire mo no. Wa hwe abrofo no hu o ma sa. Omo penny pass, omo many blue, many green. Ono ne me.
Twene. Yes, can no fans pa o. Now, I'm say who neutral.
4.7
I'm say neutral. Get you. Please.
But with that being said, let's get into it. And see, Sabaya nti me fire mo mugu TV no so na mu jimi na Toyota Corolla and then boy ai 1 billion and abrantie start adwuma obeden watimi to Toyota Corolla muni twasere munim se tema na ndisi fo mo ate so ma amate so no na Toyota Corolla na boy 80 series 80 million enti sa ko 1 billion na aboa no chimpanzee no one na dia ko one ne 10 aboa no Akufuado kraman na dia kontiade na munni na tema jimi na muti wo pretend say Yesu na ma wiase aden ma jimi o TV3 osa we no asem pani ta Akufuado na asem o Anita Kufuor na asem entina ama me konusulu ama musa anya sa mutanda kro me obi aba bu mo TV no so kwasi abeka no kre adna bibini ajimi sa kwasi akraman no yeti sika so come dia na aboa no chimpanzee no enu asesa nkwasi duty e dia begu o man no so ama ni 10 aboa no kra say yen to abamma no 10 aboa no ye vice no no ba wa betwitwa nkwasi duty nim na Toyota Corolla na mo ka ho asem no abeda 80 series tie nkwasi asem o kwasi na oni na Akufuado nam na omumienu singlecha na science ye nwie nipa no san yi level sign chacha ho tax no sa kwasi na make you 10 say ni nyina ye nkwasi asem na Akufuado no ye na onu nim ho hwe ai odi abase oye manifesto kwasi wa hu obi a oye vice oni main no I don't understand Baumia. Sometimes Baumia ni chasere for the meantime before say what dream you say Ghana for enemy nyans oni na di chimi be kan kwasi asem biwa memo obi aba po yewia ni akopo yire na kan aden ma jimi sa wo ye vice no ani main no jimi sa kwasi ye ofru play no ko etwa wo play no ma o se say sika na Akufuado kraman no ko wo twa eye wo aboyi wo na si Ghana ho awuruli kraman head of economy sorry tamesi spirit abamimu economy head of economic management mo twan kene for ata na ntwewe o hyewase Ghana Armed Forces police fo ne nkwasiafo nyina nyina hyewase omji command free ho na de kwasia begina say me nyama mpanyini na moto abamame a me ba metwa yi levim metwitwa port duty num metwitwa wem na Akufuado no na kwasia aden na sesia no umma megina ho say me ye vice na 11 nye port duty na car 80 million na ye pagya ne boode aduru hand I 1 billion no enne me Baumia me yusu I vice mampanyini power vice twani nyinam na makacho se utwama o eno ano obia ni wobetima abaji yila bibio because mampanyini no no ane wa se wagimi unya twamwie na Akufuado se onte ase a me metimi aba beku Akufuado ama me nya kuna wo na uruli wo se wagimi enti kwase we wamfa ni jimi ampane ba bia ntra me nyinya ko am se nipa na.
Yes, so we're moving from Twene Jonas camp, then I'm taking you straight to Mr. Logic's camp inside Hate FM. So they were discussing about Lil Win's movie, A Country Called Ghana, where Mr. Logic was saying why the title be A Country Called Ghana, and we invited Nigerians to come help us do this project. So according to Mr. Logic, Lil Win should have recruited Ghanaians only to project this kind of movie because of the title, and not to invite Nigerians in such movie. So I just want to take you through his camp. Let's go listen to what Mr. Logic said about this.
Ghana, a country called Ghana. Why do you have Nigerians? The next thing you see, they'll be mocking us in the movie. See, you should be careful when you are scripting your stories. No matter what he has in the script, this Nigeria, these are major players. They want to have some level of control. Yes. So how do you name a movie a country called Ghana and then have Nigerians in it? That's my little misunderstanding.
But just as he said, no,
it still doesn't make sense. Can't you have some Ghanaians who are
looking like him?
Don't you have Van Vika? Look, Van Vika movie from Masa Chief. No. Let's be real. This is a movie he's targeting going to Netflix
yes.
to write a Ghanaian story. This is the problem we have. You want to write a Ghanaian story. You do think if they are doing a movie entitled A Country Called Nigeria, they'll bring a Ghanaian? You think they will involve a Ghanaian?
Good point.
Let's hope the story comes out.
The hope is
in some of their projects.
Say when we are I understand you, please. When we are talking about patriotism and the Ghanaian agenda, you the same people have been complaining about the Ghanaian agenda. The title of the movie is A Country Called Ghana.
But that does not mean that's the story.
But you know the storyline.
No, you don't know the storyline.
When you name like Ghana songs.
And Nigerians not in Ghana. Don't you know Nigerians in Ghana?
There are.
But doesn't matter whether Nigerians are in Ghana or not.
Technically, do you know what is called a Ghanaian story?
You're asking a Ghanaian what a Ghanaian story is. A person born in Ghana.
There's a movie person here. Let him educate you.
Come on. I know you're education. I was born in Ghana. I know everywhere in Ghana. I know east, west, north, and south. I've been there. I know our problems. What I'm saying is, I'm not saying it's a bad concept. Yeah, I'm saying that for the purposes of the movie, they are going to Netflix, which is supposed to be like a major feature for Ghana. So why didn't you import other Ghanaians, like major Ghanaian actors, and tell the Ghanaian story in total?
Okay, Mr. Logic.
That's my belief.
Okay.
I'm not saying it's a bad thing to do.
Let me ask you this.
Yes.
What if?
Tell me, you know, ask me a question.
No. What if? What if these people?
No, ask me a question.
Hold on. Lil Win's explanation.
What if layman?
We are conjecturing for now. What if Lil Win's plot? Supposedly, these white.
Yo, it's your boy Cocky Smart. So we pay entertainment news bia, trending news bia, uncle baby Weekmix media, obey the correct amount. Hey, oh, I don't maybe know all. The ceremony you cancel, the power show. Subscribe my. Say the bay, the BB up to my Ubenya. Why, that's it.